Hey, I'm Rainer from the Rep Institute, and today we are here. I want to tell you something about our printer here, about the Mutoh XpertJet. With this machine, we print a lot of square meters. So for big science shows, for the VTech, there was a big floor we print completely, and we print some designs for our project. And you definitely see a lot of things on the Rep Institute library, all printed with this Mutoh printer. So the ink system is a solvent ink, and as you can see, this is the empty bag where it's sucked out complete every milliliter from the ink, so there's no waste, and this is also recyclable. So with this ice cream algorithm, the printer prints in waves. So this gives a really smooth outcome of this machine, and it looks always really perfect. Inside we have a preheating section, the heating section where directly goes the printhead over, and we have also the after heating section here. The material really dry when it comes to this part, because all the heating elements take control that the ink is dry on the end. So this printer comes with a Vertilit RIP software, so you directly can start with the production when you get this printer in-house. You can change the profile, everything what you need, layout, how big it is. You have the color management, you have everything in what you actually need for the production. That's the thing, rock and roll. Just get the printer, get your software, and start printing.